Welcome to the SolidCAM University channel. This video's topic is multiple fixtures display. So the ability for a user inside SolidCAM to set up multiple fixtures for their different sides of their part is actually one of the benefits of using a software such as SolidCAM. Now, the issue is, what if you've got too many fixtures on display at one time? You'll see here that I have a fixture for my side 1, and under the machines setup, we can see that I've got a fixture for side 2 once it brings up on the screen. So I've actually gone into the feature manager and hidden those separate solids, whatever shows up showing me my side 2 operations. When I show that on the screen right there. So I've actually got a fixture for side 2 as well. So I've actually got that hidden under the feature manager. You'll see here, I've got them hidden. Now, when I want to work on side 2, I'll have to come back here, right-click, and click on Show, and then right-click on the side 1 fixtures, and click Hide. I have to do that every time I want to go from side 1 to side 2. And that can be cumbersome if you have more than just 2 solids or 2 assemblies. So how do we actually handle it so that we can just go in there and simply switch from one setup display to another setup display? Well, we can go to the Configuration Manager. And below there, we actually have something called display states. The display states work similar to the way configurations work. In configurations, we suppress different features, and then we can toggle between our configurations to have different sets of suppressed features turned on and off. With display states, we can do that with the hide and show command. So for instance, on this screen here, the part itself is my main solid. That's going to stay on screen the whole time. The Kurt vise and the tombstone are what I'd like to hide from side 1 and show the side 2 Kurt vise and tombstone. Rather than going into the feature manager, I've created a side 1, side 2 display state. So if I want to start machining on side 2 and I want to show the vise or the fixture setups for side 2, I'll just double click on side 2. It hides those other ones and shows the ones for side 2. I haven't suppressed them, so I'm not going to disrupt any kind of toolpaths that might be relying on that geometry. They're just being hidden at this time. So between these 2 display states, 2 or more, I can set up all my fixtures and just double click on which one I like to do. And that's as simple as just opening up the display states, in this case side 2, going to the feature manager and deciding which ones you'd like hidden. So for instance, right now I've got those 2, the Kurt vise and the tombstone, hidden. If I switch back to display state 1, you'll see that those are shown and these are hidden. And that's all you got to do. Open up a display state, right-click on the feature that you'd like to either be shown or hidden, and while you're in that display state, that will be the case. Once you switch to a different display state, go into the feature manager and hide and show what you would like to show in this display state. And that's how you can use display states to help you with your fixture display. Any questions on that or anything else from SolidCAM, you can always call us at 1-866-975-1115, extension 2. You can send your parts or your questions via the ticket system at solidcamsupport.com, or stay tuned for the rest of the videos on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.